Today I am gonna show you how you can fix this problem. So I just connect you my. Okay, so first of all, just search here Windows PowerShell, then run as administrator, then okay, just close it, and just you have to put this code here, msdt.exe space id device diagnostic. Okay, so just copy, I just copy this text and put it here, then just click on enter. Okay, so Windows Online Troubleshoot service is now disabled. Okay, just close it now. Okay, so now you have to go in your device manager, just click on your desktop shortcut. Oh, what is happening? This desktop shortcut is not working. Okay, the PC, right? The PC is here. 1 minute. Okay, I have. Okay, so now it's okay. Maybe. So just click on this manage. Okay, now here device manager 11টা 10. Okay, so now you'll see the option universal serial bus controller. Just click on update driver. Okay, this one done. Okay, there is nothing left here. Okay, so now you have to go in your setting option, then I even don't know how. Okay, so now click here pure power and sleep setting, additional power setting, then click on the change the computer sleep mode, then run for setting, then you have to see this interface and you will select the USB setting maybe. Okay, just click on expand it also, just click on disable now. Okay, I hope yours this is working as fine now. Okay, so just the last process, you have to restart your PC.